So I'm going to demonstrate how to be able to attach images onto assignments, in particular on our quizzes. So for example, when I'm in CalcPortal, which I'm viewing through Firefox, which is the browser that's best supported for CalcPortal, I'm going to go into assignments and I have down here a sample quiz that you can always access. So when I click on the sample quiz, I'm going to resume the sample quiz. My time expired, but that doesn't matter, that's old. So here for my first question, in this video I'm going to give directions on how to be able to upload images into quizzes on CalcPortal. So starting off, I'm at the home page. I'm going to go to Assignments, and under Assignments, I'm going to show you how to do it for the sample quiz. And it'll work the same way for all of the quizzes. So I'm resuming the sample quiz. You can try this out on your own. This isn't graded. This is an opportunity for you to be able to figure out how this works. So this is the first sample question for the sample quiz. We aren't interested in answering the question. I'm interested in question 2, which is, it asks me to show my work for the above problem. Now, I can just type in my work if I wanted to using my regular keyboard, or I can use the HTML editor, which gives me math symbols by clicking the math symbol button. So for example, if I wanted to write 3 is less than 5, I could include my less than symbol. Well, there's 2, and 2 is less than 5, for example, and I could submit that. But if I wanted to, I could also just use my keyboard and write in 2 is less than 5. And I'm pretty good at trying to decipher keyboard symbols if you don't want to have to deal with using the symbol here. So the main point of the video now is to be able to upload a handwritten work image. So I'm going to go to, like the directions say, I'm going to go to where it says link, and I want to link to an image. This gives me heights and widths and borders. You can adjust that manually if you want to, but if you don't care about that, I'm fine with whatever it uploads. So first, I'll say I go to the Find Upload File, and it turns out that I want to browse for a different file, and I want to use the file, I put it on my desktop and I call it Sample Work. So I'm going to open Sample Work, and then it says click Upload File, so I'm going to click Upload File. And I have to be patient as the file uploads. And when the file appears in the list above, which it does right here, you click on the name. And I think that many different types of files are supported here. I know that JPEG is the one that I'm going to use because that's the one that tends to be best. And notice that if I wanted to modify the size, this is really big. It's also going to give me really good clarity. You can't even really see what's going on with this picture. If I wanted to, I could reduce the size of this picture to be something like 400 by 320. And here's an image of my sample work, and I click OK. And look, now my work is displayed in this box below. And when I submit my quiz, and remember to save your answers often, just in case if you're idle for too long, sometimes it can log you out. My answers have been submitted, and I can press continue, and I'll continue on with my quiz. And when I'm all done with all of my quiz, notice now that image disappears. It's embedded. This is just the HTML code that links to that image. And I can submit the quiz. One of my questions is incomplete. Thanks so much.